Next, justice in a medical ethics is usually defined as a form of fairness, a fair distribution of goods in society. The burden and benefit of treatments must be distributed equally among all groups in society, regardless of their gender, race, or religion. What is justice? Is usually defined as a form of fairness, a fair distribution of goods in a society. The burden and benefit of the treatment must be distributed equally among all groups in societies, regardless of their gender, race, or the religion. So the mnemonic of basic principle is A, B, C, D, E. A is autonomy, B beneficence, C confidentiality, do no harm, non maleficence, equity or justice. Thank you.